If you want to add an event to calendar on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can go to the calendar app. Now, once you open it, you might see this auto sync option for your Samsung accounts. If you want to, you can turn it on. But if you want to create a new event, you can just simply use this plus button that we have here at the bottom. And then we start setting it up. So you can set up the name of the event. You can also choose an emoji and the color. You can pick the date when it starts and when it ends, and you can do the same thing with the time. But you can also choose all day so that you don't have to choose the time, and the event is going to last the whole day, as the name suggests. Besides that, we can include the location of the event. We have our account. We can manage alerts or notifications when we want to be informed about the upcoming event. We can make the event repeatable over here. You can also include some notes. We have video conference. We have attachments, invitees, and we can choose the time zone as well. And once you set everything up, you can just tap on save. And that is pretty much it. The event has been created. Leave a like and subscribe.